Hello there, this is Catherine from my hillside garden in northeast Pennsylvania, zone 6, and in the sun today it's 66 degrees. Can you believe it? We had almost 2 whole weeks of low temperatures. Last night it was down to 19. Come join me for a tour of the garden. I'm going to open up the low tunnels and see how our vegetables are doing. Maybe I'm not. Okay, but this one comes 2 out of 3. Gloves on. Oh no, we're close to it. That won't fall. Okay, so let's take a little closer look. This is the first time I'm opening up this area in a couple weeks. I did only have one cover on it. The lettuce doesn't look too bad. It's still a little bit cold. The ambient temperature is only about 25. No, I think, what was it? Well, the lettuces don't look too bad. In the back here, this is miner's lettuce. That one's looking pretty good. I mean, they're all a little bit wilty because of the cold weather, but they seem to be doing okay. Don't really expect any growth when it's this cold, just maintenance. So these are 7 top turnips and more lettuce. But the one thing I can really notice, oh, the top layer isn't frozen, but below it it is. I was hoping to water, but actually it does feel moist. Now, I put the little solar lamps in here because I like to see if this is getting enough sun even through the cover. If we look down that way, I do have some kales down there and some carrots. The carrot tops look a little bit wilty, and so does the kale, but it seems to be doing okay so far. So I'd have to say so far we're doing pretty good. But what I am going to do today, because I know we are getting another cold spell coming, I'm going to put a layer of frost fabric on the plants in the tunnels to try and give them that second layer of protection they'll need to survive the rest of the winter. Okay? Okay, so now I have added that second layer of frost fabric over the lettuces in this bed, and as best as I could, I tried to get over the kales that were in this bed. That, I'm trying an experiment. I used frost fabric instead of plastic for this one, so it has frozen with this block to the base of the frame, so I can't get that off to get under there well enough. But I like to experiment with different things, so that's what the low tunnel garden looks like right now on January 9th, 2018. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you liked the video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe, share my channel, and have a great day. Happy gardening.